friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about colorful GeForce RTX 4080 iGame Neptune. So friends, this RTX 4080 Max TDP is higher than Radeon RX 7900 XTX 3GB, and friend, this will adopt the same cooler as RTX 4090 SKU with 360 external radiator, and such cooling indeed made sense for RTX 4090 Neptune with default TDP at 450 watt and maximum TDP at 630 watt, and this is actually the highest from any RTX 4090 on the market. And friend, it features a dual BIOS switch just like the AD102 model, and the OC settings will apply 2640 MHz boost, so an overclock of 135 MHz, and colorful is now confirming maximum TDP of this card, which is 380 watts, so 60 watt above the reference specification. And friend, naturally a higher limit to apply a custom card such as the ASUS model with 888 power connectors. And friend, this new iGame Neptune is set to launch on 16th November. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.